Okay, I'm back. I figured this out. The best, easiest way to put a body mount on the front of the Blizzard. Whacked my brain, but I always try to do it the best. Alright, mine's already done, but I'm just gonna try to show you how to do it. First, you get a thin piece of styrene. Make it like a inch wide, a couple inches long. Move this out. Then you're gonna heat it up. Blowtorch. Just get it like right about there. Heat it up. Use a roller. Bend it. Just like that. So it's like 1 inch wide. You gotta trim this off to about 3/8 inch overhang, the L part, the shorter part. And you want 1 1/4 inches long from the L part, 1 1/4 inches long. And I'm gonna do that now, and I'll be back. Alright, now I marked it. I'm just gonna cut it off. 3/8 of an inch overhang. Trim the edge on her off to make it a little rounded. Length 1 1/4 inches long. I'm just gonna cut that off. Oops, went in the Blizzard. Cut this off too, just for the heck of it. A little angle. Alright, now I'll show you what to do next. Okay, put a piece of stick tape on it. I use the clear silicone looking stuff. Just like that. And it's gonna go in the chassis. Like that. Just like this. Right. Mine's already done. Okay, now that you got the stick tape on, you're gonna put it in the chassis like this, but in the center where mine is, because I already got it. You're gonna put it in the center and have it 4/8 of an inch space from the top of the chassis to the bottom of the top of the L part. You're gonna want 4/8 of an inch high, just like that. 4/8 of an inch high in the center where mine is. Then okay, next with your body back on, use some tape. Hold down the body so it's flattened onto the chassis, and tape it right on the body mount and onto the body. Hold it down. Do both sides. Okay, now that the body's held down with the tape, now you need to get your, I have this hard flip-flop foam. It's like 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch, a little bigger. It's like almost 3/8 of an inch thick. I got my foam already on because mine's done, but here's what you need to do. You would push this up until you feel it hit your body mount you made, until it stops, and as soon as it stops, just go across that. Take your tape off. Then you would put your stick tape across here. Mine's already done. And then you would just stick tape it in flat with the bottom of the body, like how you marked it. Stick tape that on. Then if you want, you could get a razor blade and cut this over here where the body post is going to go on an angle a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Put it on an angle a little bit. And once you have that stuck in there like that, then you should be able to put the body on. And it don't rock. And that's it, the improved mod. Hope this helps, and see y'all next time.